Hey everyone! In this video, let's talk about the thumb rules for creating alerts in PineScript on TradingView. If you're trying to send trade alerts to another broker or just want to be notified when a condition hits, you need to create an alert. Now, here's the number one rule. Always go to the three dots next to the indicator name and click Add Alert from there. Yeah, sure, you can create alerts from the top bar or alert log on the side, but don't. Creating it directly from the indicator makes sure the condition is tied exactly to your script. No confusion, no misfires, just clean execution. Let's go. All right, now let's quickly run through the alert settings and make sure you understand each one clearly. You can watch the full walkthrough using the link in the description. When you create an alert, first up, 1. Select your symbol. 2. Pick the condition. This will be your indicator or strategy 3. Choose the time frame. 4. Set the expiry or hit open-ended if you want the alert to stay active forever. In the message section, your strategy might already fill a default message. No need to touch it unless you need something custom. But make sure to give your alert a clear and unique name. You'll need that name in future steps. Now, turn on the notifications you want. App alerts, email, Webhook, and if you're sending alerts to a broker, enable the Webhook URL and paste your link. But for now, we're just doing a demo. So go ahead, hit create, and boom, your alert is live. Once your alert is created, the second rule is super important. Immediately save your indicator as a template. And here's the key. The template name should match your alert name exactly. That way, no confusion later on. You'll also see options like remember symbol and remember interval. Turn them on or off, totally your call. But why save the template? Let's say you remove your indicator by mistake. Now what? You won't remember the settings, the time frame, or even the exact code version. Instead of redoing everything, just apply your saved template and boom, same chart, same logic, same alert ready setup. Game changer. Here's the third rule, and this one's critical. If you change any setting in your indicator, do not update the old alert or reuse the previous template. Why? Because it can lead to mismatches and errors. And trust me, that's a mess you don't want. So delete the old alert, delete the old template. Then, 1. Open your updated indicator. 2. Create a new alert. 3. Save a new template with a new name, clean, fresh, error-free. Wrap up. Let's lock in all three rules. Rule 1, create alerts from the indicator panel. Rule 2, save the indicator as a template with the same name. Rule 3, don't reuse alerts if you've changed any settings. Start fresh. This workflow keeps your alerts clean, organized, and error-free. Thanks for watching,